bring a purse in there?
That's my purse.
Why did you bring a purse? It's empty.
Over.
3 women thought they could walk out of Kohl's without paying, but they didn't expect deputies to arrive so quickly. When police pulled up, the suspects tried to run. What happened next was all caught on camera.
Over. Where's the other girl go? Hey!
Where's the other one? You got her? Where'd she go? Oh, shit. Fuck. Oh, there she is. I call 911. Yep. I can't. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Drop the bag. Drop the bag. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Right now you're being detained. Do you have anything on you? You can poke or stick me. You have an ID in your purse? You said no? Alright, stay still for a second. Okay, we're gonna sit in this car. We're going on this side.
Bro.
They got the other one down back.
Yeah. You fucking grab my body cam and run away like that shit again, I'll fucking whoop your ass.
Oh, dude,
you understand me? Where'd her fucking bag go?
I didn't want it to get lost. It's with the other officer. I didn't want it to get lost, dude. I'm sorry.
Wait, why did he grab your... What the fuck?
Get your fucking ass over there before I yell at you. Fucking do that shit again to me. For the last time you fucking work here.
He grabbed your body cam?
That fucking fell on the ground and he decided to take it with him.
Why would he do that?
No kidding.
What the fuck?
Take that off. Have a seat in the corner.
So it's no surprise why we're out here. Listen, it's all on video inside. I'm gonna be straight up with you. I don't like gray. I'm black and white with people. Everything you guys were doing inside was on video camera.
But we didn't walk out with nothing.
I know, but you guys were putting all that shit in suitcases and bags, and it's still in the statute it reads you can't temporarily deprive somebody of their property. You guys concealing this shit, you're still temporarily depriving somebody.
No, I didn't conceal nothing. It was in a shopping thing.
Okay.
Shopping bag.
Alright.
I didn't put shit in nowhere.
Alright. Which car out here is your guys's?
Huh?
Which car out here is your guys's?
We didn't have a car. We lived here.
Okay, how'd you guys get here?
We lived here.
You what do you mean, like an Uber, like a Lyft?
Yeah, Uber.
Alright, whose phone did you use to do that?
Mine.
How'd you get here?
With them down here.
Where's your car?
That's their car.
Where's the car?
It's down there.
What kind of car is it?
Oh, it's a black car. I don't know.
It's a black car?
Yeah, I just got in.
SUV? You just got in it?
Yeah, I just got in. I just got picked up.
You don't know these guys?
Yeah, I know them.
Okay.
They're my cousin. I just got.
Oh, they're cousins, so you know what they drive.
It's the car down.
What car? There's 90 cars. Which one?
You want me to show it to you?
Just point it out.
Is that black car? No.
Which one? The one that were in the handicap spot?
Yeah, body handicap spot.
Huh?
Body handicap spot.
Is it a Kia?
No, it's not a Kia.
Or is it an SUV behind it?
It's like, I don't know. I don't feel like they can take take me to jail because I didn't steal shit.
Okay.
I'll put it in the shopping thing. I swear to God on my kids.
Okay. What's your first name?
D-A.
E?
No, D.
D-A?
D-A. J-A. Last name Ford, F-O-R-D. I'm not gonna lie, I do got a history, but
That's
I do
cool.
not know, like, I don't have no, like, warrants or nothing.
Alright, you have a middle name?
Diamond.
Diamond. What's your date of birth? 2000, girl, what are you doing?
With my freaking cousin.
Where are you working at?
Huh?
You working somewhere right now?
Yeah, I do hair.
Where you work at?
I do hair. I don't work.
Oh, you do hair?
Yeah.
Man, that's... God, why you get here doing this shit, though? Too young to be doing this stuff, man. 217 copy one. You use your license out of Florida or somewhere else?
It's in Florida.
It's in Florida.
I can't go to jail, bro. That was flagging. She gonna tell you if I have warrants or anything, right?
Yeah. So it's 100% your name and everything, though?
Yeah, I swear to God, that's my name. I ain't gonna lie to you about my name, because I know that's another charge, but...
Yeah. I also know why you tried to run away, like...
You need me for something?
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Because I didn't have shit, so like, why is I'm getting detained if I didn't walk out the store with nothing?
Yeah, but you let me have a second to discuss it with you, tell you, and you're on your way, right? But now I'm telling you right now, that's probably going to be a charge right there. You just trying to run. You have an all black one? Which purse is yours? All black with like
all
gold?
Black. No. All black. It was a purse on the floor.
Temple, like an all black one, right? Well, who was that, your cousin or your friend?
That was my cousin.
Did she have a purse with her too or no?
No, I don't think so.
Alright.
Bro, I just don't want to go to sleep. I just need to take shit out of these people's soul and shit.
Look, come over this way. We got another water there, buddy.
Yeah, it's just 2 bags.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna have a good conversation with that LP. See my body cam hit the ground right there? Right in front of my car. I grabbed her, I go to go pick it up, and he took it with him. And we're fucking running with it.
205 Central, copy 1.
So I don't want to jail because thank you.
Yep.
For what?
Retell that.
What I stole though?
David, Adam, Victor, Ida, Sam. First name is Tamesha. Tom, Adam, Mike, Edward, Sam, Henry, Adam. Middle D for Denise, 21192. Well, probably the purse for one.
Huh?
Probably the purse for one.
I walked in there with that purse.
You didn't bring that in.
Yes, I did. You can watch the cameras. I walked in there with that purse.
Well, you got nothing in it. No ID.
Okay.
Why?
I walked in there.
Why did you bring a purse in there?
That's my purse.
Why did you bring a purse? It's empty.
It's nothing in that purse.
I know. Why'd you bring a purse in?
Because I could bring a purse in.
Because you're stealing stuff with
I
it.
ain't never put nothing in the purse.
That's okay. You're all together. You're all
okay,
together.
they didn't even get nothing. So what's the problem?
Oh, really?
No.
We're sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I seen them when they walked out. They ain't never got nothing.
That's okay. Don't worry. I guess you don't know the law too much. Once you start hiding stuff throughout the store, it's called stealing. And it's all on camera. So, it's good. What? Hey, you didn't touch anything in the store? Nothing? Find that hard to believe.
He didn't even touch me. The man he ran after them too.
Mm-hmm. How did I know to stop you?
Oh, because he said stop me too.
Who?
The man that when I was walking out the door, he was right there.
How much was your bond?
What bond for what?
Oh, you're on probation. Never mind. How long you on probation for? You don't know? Well, it's grand theft. So did you get a year, 2 years, 5 years?
I don't know.
You just got on it 2 days ago. You don't remember how long you're on probation for?
No, not really.
Okay. Bag. Nothing in it. It's empty. No ID. She's huh? It's all inside still. So that's what I'm trying to find out. But he needs to come out and talk to us. So I had him call and have him come out here. Hey, She just went on probation 2 days ago for grand theft.
So can you arrest me and put me in the car?
Huh?
Can you arrest me and put me in the car?
No, I'll detain you. They just stand right there. Why? You getting wet?
No, it's pointless to standing up and don't take me to jail. Ain't he repairs all extras?
Doesn't matter, hon. You still don't know the law.
I know the law everywhere.
Apparently not.
You gonna take me to jail for grand theft or what?
Yep. As soon as they total it all up, and you're gonna get a VOP.
Oh, that's fine. But I still ain't do nothing.
Yeah. Okay. You're here.
Huh?
Shop down in Lee County. Don't shop up here.
Okay.
We don't want you stealing it from here. Steal down there. Stay down there and steal if you're gonna steal. You are a thief. You already been convicted. You already been convicted as a thief.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does matter. Okie dokie.
I didn't touch nothing. I walked in there with that purse. You're trying to say I stole the purse.
I just asked you a question.
Oh.
It's kind of odd that a woman walks around with an empty purse.
What the hell? A lot of people do.
No, nobody does.
Lots of purses.
No, only thieves walk around with empty purses because they stuff stuff in it. You know, that's easy deduction. 100 women, 100 things in a purse. You, nothing. Except paper. You don't even have ID. Or they can sit there and talk.
In the end, Dontavious Thomas and Davaja Ford were charged with grand theft and resisting an officer without violence. Tamesha Davis was also charged with grand theft, and deputies discovered she had an outstanding warrant from another county. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.